From the heart of Persia to London, rugs run in our blood. With generation of Persian rug expertise, we know every knot, every weave, and every type of wool and silk.